Namaste children, I am Hari Prasad, your chemistry teacher. Children, let us proceed with the next question in the same chapter, that is periodic properties and its variation. Now, question number 19. Element X is a metal, right, which combines with two atoms of halogen in period 3. So, X belongs to group dash. That's the question mark. Now children, the question clearly says that X is a metal. It is combining with what? Halogen, which is present in period 3. Which is the halogen that is present in period 3? It is chlorine. So, the formula of the compound will be XCl2. When you cross it, the valency of this X will be 2. They have told that X is a metal. Children, we all know that the valencies of metals will be plus and as well as non-metals will be minus, because plus indicates loss of electron. So plus 2. Now coming to option A. So this fellow has got one electron in the outermost shell. So how can it lose 2? Not possible. And this fellow has got how many electrons in the outermost shell? Group 13 means 3 electrons. So it is losing 3. So this is also ruled out. And coming to option C. Sir, 5 electrons in the outermost shell. So it is a non-metal. So option D. It has got 2 electrons in the outermost shell. Yes. So the correct answer for this question is option D. Is it clear, children? Okay, children. Let us move on to the next question. In period 2 of the periodic table, element X is placed to the left of element Y. So, Y would probably have a dash electron affinity than X. Okay, children? Children, common sense says that if I hold a periodic table in the hand, we say that left to right. So, what they are telling is that X is placed to the left of element Y. If X is placed to the left of Y, when we go across the period, who will come first? Obviously, X will come first and then what, children? Y, because they are telling left of Y. So X will come first. Okay, children? Now common sense says that these two belongs to a period 2 and the property is electron affinity. Sir, across the period the electron affinity is going to what? Increase. That is, out of X and Y, who is having a higher electron affinity values? Obviously, the answer will be what, sir? Y. So, is it Y is having a dash electron affinity than X? So, is it lower? No. Equal? No. So, the answer is option B. So, the value of Y is higher than X. Is it clear, children? Okay, children, let us proceed with the next question. The group of elements with maximum IP and 0 electron affinity. Children, 0 electron affinity. The options are group 17, group 18, group 2 and group 15. Children, everybody knows that which group of elements are having a stable electronic configuration. It is group what, children? 18. When the electronic configuration of the element is stable, don't you think the energy what you need to supply should be very, very high to remove the electron? Yes. And one more thing, once the element is having a stable electronic configuration, why it will accept the electron? So then its electron affinity will be 0. Children, which group is this? The one with maximum IP and 0 electron affinity. The answer is 17, no. 2, no. 15, no. The correct answer is group 18 with maximum IP, that is more energy to remove the electron, and 0 electron affinity. Is it clear, children? Okay, children, let us move to the next question. Element A forms a compound A2SO4 thrice. So, A belongs to group dash. We have to find out this A, which is combined with a sulfate, belongs to which group. Now common sense says that, children, when we cross the valencies, the valency of sulfate will be SO4 2 minus and the valency of A will be what, children? It is plus 3. 3 will come here and 2 will go there. Fine, children. Plus indicates loss of electron. So A will lose through 3 electrons because it is a metal. Now, children, A is 17. So these group of elements have got 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So this is ruled out, and moreover, it is a non-metal. 18. 18 means, noble gases. This is also ruled out. Option C. First group, that is 1 electron in the outermost shell. Then how can it form a valency of plus 3? So finally we are left out with group 13. Yes, this is the one which will exhibit a valency of what? Plus 3. So group 13 means 3 electrons in the outermost shell. After losing that, it will become plus 3. So the answer for this question is option D. Okay, children, we'll proceed with the next question. The size of the cation in comparison to its parent atom will be dash. That is, what is the meaning of a parent atom? For example, if I consider a cation Na+, who is the parent for this one? Na. The question what they are asking is that when you compare the size of the cation with its parent atom, what is its size? Whether it is larger or smaller or same, none of this. That's what we have to tell in this question. Children, simple way actually. For your level, we'll do it in a very simple way. The electronic configuration of sodium is 281, which has got how many shells? 3 shells. And the configuration of Na plus is what, children? 28, because it has lost 1 electron. Now use your brain and tell me, this fellow has got 3 shells and this fellow has got 2 shells. Which is big and which is small? Yes, obviously Na is larger and Na plus is what? Smaller. So the answer for this question will be option B, that is smaller. That is, the size of the cation in comparison to its parent atom will be what, children? Smaller. Is it clear, children? Okay, children, let us proceed with the next question. The group of elements with maximum atomic radius and metallic nature. The options are group 13, group 2, group 16 and group 1. Children, common sense says that out of these 4 options, this is ruled out because group 16 is nothing but what, children? Non-metal, right? Because we are also supposed to discuss about atomic radius and as well as what? Metallic nature. So this is non-metal. So let us remove that, right? Let us not consider that. So group 1, group 2 and group 13. Now children, common sense says that across the period, atomic radius is going to what, children? Decrease, and metallic nature also decreases. Suppose if I hold the periodic table in the hand like this, the one which is towards the left hand side is having a maximum atomic radius and maximum metallic nature. Use your brain and tell me, which group is towards the left hand side of the periodic table? Is it 1, 2 or 13? Yes, your answer is right. It is group 1. So group 1 is the one that is having a maximum atomic radius and metallic nature. Is it clear, children? Okay, right, children. I hope whatever the questions I have discussed, you have understood that. Children, if you want all these questions, I have posted the link in the description. You can download that. Okay, children. Thank you very much. Namaste.